In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Revolut Business to Xero. By the end, you'll have a live bank feed that pulls your completed Revolut Business transactions into Xero automatically, saving you time on manual imports and making reconciliation much smoother. We'll set this up from the Revolut Business app or the web portal. If you're on the web, look for the cog icon in the top right corner to get to your settings. On mobile, open Settings from your account menu. Make sure you're in the correct business profile before you begin, and ideally have the right access on both Revolut Business and Xero so you can approve the connection. Once you're in Settings, open the Integrations section. This is where Revolut groups all third-party connections. Inside Integrations, locate the accounting area. Click Add, then choose Xero. This tells Revolut you want to connect your bank fee to Xero rather than to another accounting platform. You'll now see an option to connect the bank feed. Click Connect next to Bank Feed and follow the on-screen prompts. The bank feed is the secure pipeline that transfers your completed transactions into Xero. Pending or card holds won't sync until they settle, which helps keep your books clean and consistent with your actual balances. Next, you'll be redirected to Xero to sign in and grant permissions. This permission step allows Xero to receive your transaction data and lets Revolut send it in the right format. Review the prompts carefully and approve. You can manage or disconnect the integration later if needed. After permissions are granted, select the Xero organization you want to link. If you manage multiple entities, pick the one that corresponds to this Revolut Business account, then configure your preferences. This is where you choose which currency accounts to sync. If you hold multiple currencies in Revolut, link each one to the matching bank account in Xero so they reconcile separately and maintain correct exchange reporting. Here's how the sync behavior works. If you create new bank accounts in Xero for this connection, future transactions from Revolut will flow into those new accounts going forward. If you match the feed to existing Xero bank accounts that already represent your Revolut wallets, Xero can also bring in past transactions, helping you catch up without manual CSV uploads. When you're done, return to Xero's bank accounts page to confirm the feed is connected. Give it a moment to pull data, then start reconciling. And that's it. Your Revolut Business bank feed is now connected to Xero, keeping your books up to date with minimal effort.